Hello, my name is Maria Loaiza. I am studying subject English 6 in the section 3T. Today I am going to talking about 3D printing in the medical field. Something that we have seemed futuristic not too long ago, but now presents incredible opportunities for the future. 3D printing. The first 3D printer was developed in the 1990s by Jack Hall to print solid structures for manufacturing. It wasn't long before the medical world took notice. Today, 3D printing is already being used to create dental implants and prosthetics. But researchers want to take the technology even further and print whole organs, while there is still a long way to go. Scientists have already started to print cells and tissues using a process called 3D bioprinting. This allows scientists to create innovative biomaterials to study in greater detail how the body works. In the future, we expect to see 3D printed organs, which could be used to test new drugs and even eliminate the need for animal testing. Thank you.